Learning with Lions Kids!
Lions Kids, come on, let's learn. Homophones, homophones, homophones. Let's go play. Same sound, words in a different way. They can sound the same, yes they do, but they mean different things for me and you.
Same sound,
different meaning.
Let's learn.
Come sing with me. Read the words and look around. Listen closely to the sound. If we read the whole sentence through, we can find the right word too. Same sound, different meaning. Yeah, yeah. Listen up and keep on reading. Yeah, yeah. Homophones are fun to know. Come on, friends, let's go. Let's go. Same sound, different meaning. Yeah, yeah. Look around and keep on reading. Yeah, yeah. Hear the word and you will see which word is right. Let's read and see. I can see with my two eyes. The sea has waves that splash and rise. I can hear a happy song. Come stand here and sing along.
The sky is blue, so bright and new. The wind just blew my red kite too.
The sun shines high up in the sky. A sun says hi as he walks by. Say hi, same thing, same sound, different meaning. Listen up and keep on reading. Homophones are fun to know. Come on, friends, let's go. Let's go. Same sound, different meaning. Look around and keep on reading. Hear the word and you will see which word is right. Let's read and see. Now let's learn the tricky three. They sound the same as they can be.
There means they are.
Yes, that's right.
There means something belongs to them.
Alright, there means over in that place. Three same sounds in one word race. They're playing with their toys over there.
Now we got it nice and clear.
Your means you are nice and bright. Your means it belongs to you. Alright, you're so smart, your smile is bright. You are learning left and right. By means get it from the store. By means next to something more. By means when you wave and go. Three fun words we all can know. We can say them loud and high. Great job, friends, you really try. If a word looks new to you, that's okay, you know what to do. Read the sentence, take a peek. Learning makes us strong and sweet. You are smart and you can grow. Every day you learn and know. Read it, hear it, say it too. Homophones are fun for you, different meaning. Now we love to keep on reading. Homophones can be so fun. Look at that, you know each one. Same sound, different meaning. Lions Kids is always teaching. Learning with Lions Kids, me and you. Now smart friend, we're proud of you. Same sound, different meaning. Learning with Lions Kids.
Bye! Bye! Like and subscribe to Learning with Lions Kids.